Over the last 38 years at Bathfitter, we have perfected the Better Bath Remodel, our one-of-a-kind process that was created to fit your lifestyle in your bathroom. Bathfitter has thousands of options and designs to choose from, with installation in as little as one day. You think there's a catch, but there isn't. Bathfitter will never sacrifice quality for convenience. But don't take my word for it. Let's see what our customers have to say about us.
My mother came to live with me and we needed easier access. So I called into Bathfitter and set up an in-home consultation. The sales consultant came out, gave me every option available. We decided to do a tub to shower for easier access. We got some grab bars for her to hold on to, so it's safe for her to get in and out, and my total install took 1 day. They came out, they covered my toilet, my vanity, cleaned up after themselves at the end of the install. Very professional.
I heard of Bathfitter through the web, and my bathroom needed an update, so I called Bathfitter. I went to their e-booking website and booked my in-home consultation. The estimating process was very easy and painless. I did an e-booking. Bathfitter called me, set me up with one of their sales consultants with a free in-home consultation. I went ahead and I did all of my own designing, so when the sales rep came out, he brought all those colors that I chose so I could take a look at everything. And I went with Bathfitter, the cost efficiency, because of the cost and the lifetime warranty. They also have a referral program that is wonderful. I went ahead and referred my brother, which gives you a $125 referral fee for choosing Bathfitter. I love my new bathroom. It's very simple and easy to maintain and clean.
At Bathfitter, we're committed to the Better Bath Remodel. In fact, we're so committed that we offer a lifetime guarantee on all products installed in your home. Learn more what Bathfitter can do for you and your bath remodel. Visit bathfitter.com or call 630-635-5200 and start planning your custom bathroom renovation today.